give you a sneak peek of all the electrical that I've run in this new building that I'm working at right now. Just so you know, box connection, cut the holes, connection, box, box. Yep, I bent the pipe myself, took all the measurements, added these stuff in. Also did the HVAC. Come up in here, all the lines that's ran across. Line ran to the outlet switch. Doubling up the boxes over here. Running to a side outlet box. Tore out all the wall there, made the holes. Wait till I get there, you can't see it from here. But all of this new construction. All of this to a junction box. Junction box, box, HVAC, box. Let's go around to the other side. My partner ran this, but I ran this. And I ran this line going to the box over there. I'm finishing these runs here into that box. Smoke detector. Ran these. Those are the ones that I'm finishing now. Then I also ran all of this boxes. We're pulling wire over here, so we pulled the wire through here. This is already set up. We pulled the wire, hang these boxes and stuff. I did the HVAC as well. My partner did this for the range. Ran this electrical box. Electrical ran box. My partner ran this stuff. I ran that HVAC. That's a supply, but also ran this. So you see what's going on here. I'll get back with you or touch base with you on my next project. All right, talk to you later. Have a great one. Goodbye. Oh, if you need me, give me a call, 312-619-7172. Electrical, HVAC, drywall, painting, plumbing, carpentry, cabinet hanging, door hanging, window hanging, flooring, tile, whatever you need, give me a call and we can see if we get you taken care of. All right, thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later. Peace.